Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how to take a screenshot in Selenium WebDriver. There are many different reasons you need to take a screenshot during testing. So basically we'll open any application in Selenium WebDriver, then we'll capture the screenshot, then we'll save the screenshot. So watch the video till to the end, then you will be able to do the same thing. So in order to do that, first we need an editor. As usual, we'll use the Eclipse IDE. So IDE here is already our project is created already. Our package also will create a test class. So if you want to know how to set up Selenium IDE and also you need to set up project package and class everything, we have a separate video for that. I'll put that link in the description box. You can watch from there. So here is our package. We'll create a test class new. We'll do the JUnit test case. You can do test ng2. So test case name is class name example screenshot, then click finish. Here is class is created. We'll write our script over here. So first thing we need to instantiate WebDriver driver equal to null. So here you will see red mark, mouse over WebDriver, then import Selenium WebDriver. First thing we need to we'll use the Firefox browser. So in order to do that, we need to set property for Firefox driver. System dot set property. First thing WebDriver dot gecko dot driver. Then second value is the path for the gecko driver. We saved our gecko driver path over here. Let me copy from here, copy and paste it over here. Semicolon, ended up. Then driver equal to new Firefox driver. So Firefox driver, it is a red, mouse over, then import Firefox driver. Thereafter you need to do driver dot get. This is basically application URL. Let me copy the application URL from here. This is rahulshettyacademy.com automation practice. We can put it over here. After that, once browser is open with the application, browser might not maximize, so we need to maximize the window. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Thereafter, for application loading purpose, we need to put some wait time so that application load properly. That means thread dot sleep. Let me do 5000 millisecond, which is 5 seconds. So here is the red mark. You mouse over, you can do throws declaration or try catch method. I'll do throws declaration. Red mark is gone. Thereafter, we need to take the screenshot. Let's say this application is open. We'll take the screenshot from there. So basically here is commenting, taking a screenshot. If you do comment, that will not work with your script. That means it is for understanding purpose. So file, it is a variable, you can do anything. I'm putting ss means screenshot. File ss equal to text screenshot driver dot screenshot as output type dot file. So basically this script will take the screenshot. Let me explain little bit. So file, let me do the red mark thing first. Take care. So java.io, then import that one, takes screenshot. So that's basically within SS variable we are taking the screenshot from here. So we took the screenshot, then we need to save that screenshot. Basically save. This will not work, but for understanding purpose. So files dot copy from, that is SS, then new file. Here you need to insert your path where you want to save your file. Basically we have a folder, empty folder. Here we want to save our file. Copy the path from here and paste it over here. And also we need to mention which file name, what we want to save. So screenshot.png. So that's basically this SS. With this variable we are taking the screenshot. That screenshot we are saving in over here. So once we will run our script, the screenshot will save it over here. So let me take care the red mark, add throws declaration. Okay. Also, yeah, this is gone. Also we can take the try catch method too. Thereafter we can put the custom message SYSO system out.println screenshot taken and saved successfully. Thereafter we can close the browser. Driver.close. That's all for taking a screenshot script. Let me save this script. First thing, we are opening application and maximize the browser. Thereafter it is taking the screenshot. Thereafter it is copy that file and saved it in the specific location. So now let me run it. Right click, run as JUnit test. It is running. Firefox browser open. It is navigating to the application open. It will wait 5 seconds. It is maximize the browser. It will take the screenshot and close the browser. You see the console message, it is printed successfully and test is passed. So let me verify the location, screenshot saved or not. Yes, it is saved. Screenshot.png. If you see, it is, once application is open, this is screenshot taken by Selenium WebDriver. So basically script works successfully. It's a very simple script. So that is screenshot taken for many different purpose. Let's say one purpose is your test step is failed. At the fail point it can take the screenshot and save it somewhere, and it is for debugging purpose. You can see the screenshot, what is the mistake or error, then you can take care from there. So there are many reasons you can take the screenshot for your testing proof, and also many different purpose too. I believe those who are new in Selenium WebDriver also taking a screenshot, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is very helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.